All right, what's up, guys? Today I'm gonna be trying to finish this up. It's kind of late already. It's already 6:30 and I just now decided to work on the car. I'm about to wire this relay. After that, I gotta set up my BOVs. I have this Blitz BOV thing that allows you to run like 50-50, like to the atmosphere or whatever. And then I'm running that with the Gritty. Yeah, we got Jason over here today, right?
What's up, cuz?
With his new pickup. Okay, pop the hood. Let everybody see that single cam. Damn.
Ain't ready, cuz.
Damn. V-Tech, you know that's fast. You know that's fast.
So today, Jordan finally finished his car.
Yeah, bumper's still off though. Fuck it.
Yeah, so now we're gonna roll the streets and try to run people.
No.
What?
It's not a race car.
Not me though. We're running Subaru, goddamn.
I'm not running nobody, the fuck. I know I finished and there's no sunlight, so we're gonna go and test drive the car and see how everything is. I didn't put on my front bumper, not just yet. It looks kind of cool, but then again, just in case there's any vacuum leaks or anything. If you can't tell by now, I haven't driven my car for almost 3 weeks now. It's covered in pollen. Oh my god. This definitely needs a car wash. Maybe tomorrow.
So today, we're cleaning up. Oh, you fucking shit my side skirts. So today we're cleaning up the backyard, listening to Jordan's exhaust. But right now, we're taking all the Honda motors from my backyard. We're gonna junk them. No. Fuck it, I don't give a fuck about Hondas. Just take them. If you need it for your car, take them.
Nah, I got.
Exactly. The transmission's probably bad.
Shiny though, but.
Hey, let me keep that. Let me keep that valve cover though. No, the GSR one. I want to.
You want Trini to go tell this one?
Yeah, I want to keep that one.
Why? Because it's gold?
No, because memories.
Yeah, you're right.
It's memories. It's been here for like 5 years. But yeah, single cam, GSR, LS block, all my Honda shit I acquired over the years. There's Jordan. There's Josh. That's Josh's cousin.
Hey, you should show them your new wheel setup on our.
Oh, deal. I'm kidding. Damn, I picked up some rotor grids, real rotors. I'm kidding, they're Barstones. But the rears, I got 275 40s. Fronts or 245 40s, 18s. Looks fucking meaty as fuck. Just kidding, I didn't buy. Oh, I bought them like that, so it's okay. But they look nice. It'll do the job. Look at all this fucking rust. Or not rust. Fuck. Pollen. It's Texas for you. I mean, I do have rust, but everybody's cars are dirty. Look. Oh yeah, there's Jordan's GTO. Look at this front mount. Y'all haven't seen. And Jordan, like I said, Jordan put on a new exhaust.
Zoom out, fool.
Huh?
Zoom out.
Zoom out. Sorry about that. Jordan put on a new exhaust. He bought. Can you see that? Oh, it's gritty. I haven't heard it yet, so he just started it up for me in a little bit and get my impressions on it. Hopefully this sounds like a Honda, because you know Honda's for life.
Finally got an exhaust for the car. I went with a Gritty muffler. It's pretty much 3-inch all the way back to a single exit.
Hey guys, it's Randy from Illuminate. Okay. We both got the same names. This is my first reaction. It sounds like a Honda. Ooh. You can still hear the spool. That sounds so nice! Oh, you guys see that? The little fucking flame? Ah, got your ass, got your ass. It sounds nice. has that Supra slant to it too.
Eh.
Which one? Jordan's? What you think about his car? It's good. Okay.
That is good and easy one.
Oh. We're about to wash our cars.
Yeah, cause the cars are dirty as fuck. All that pollen. Fuck. God damn.
Texas pollen.
God damn. Hey Randy, what kind of soap are you using?
Chemical guys. Maxi Suds 2.
Damn. So both cars are all nice and clean. We just washed them. These are my new tires. Can't wait to put them on. So that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks.